guys, tutorial naman natin yung kantang For Baby ba. Pansinin nyo na lang yung nakasulat yan. Kunwari, yung chord natin ay G. Namin lang natin yung 6, 2, 4, 1, 3. Tapos kasi naman, i-plugin lang natin yung 5, 2, 4, 1, 3. Tapos sabi naman, i-plugging lang natin yung 4, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. Kaya kapag pinagin natin, ganito lang gagawin natin. Tapos sa C, tapos lipat sa D, ganun lang gagawin natin guys hanggang matapos yung kanta. Kaya kakantayin natin, pwede niyo akong sabayan. I walk in the rain by your side. I cling to the warmth of your hand. I'll do anything to satisfy. I love you more than anybody can. And the memories where your name came in. Little bird will sing along inside. Leaves will fall down when you walk by. And morning bells and time. I'll be there when you're feeling down. So kiss away the tears if you cry. I shall make you out the happiness I found. A reflection of the love in your eyes. And I sing the song of the rainbow. I whisper all the joy that's mine. Leaves will fall down when you walk by. The morning bells and chime. I walk in the rain by your side. I cling to the warmth of your hand. I'll do anything to satisfy. I love you more than and I'll be yours for your nature. Little bird will sing along in will go down Maraming salamat talaga sa mga sumuporta sa akin at abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod nating tutorial. Para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa paggigitara, meron tayong strumming pattern itong kantang to. Pag-click nyo na lang yung link natin sa baba sa part ng description. Bye-bye!